Are you passionate about food, travel, and hospitality?
Do you dream of turning that passion into a rewarding career?
Join us for 2 days experience like no others. From passion to profession, carving careers in the culinary, hospitality, and tourism industry.
Happening on July 11, this event brings together industry experts, workshops, live demos, and panel talks that will inspire your journey.
Whether you are a student, job seeker, or just curious, this is your chance to explore these real opportunities in this exciting industry.
Network and learn, take the first step in building your professional path.
So don't miss out.
Let your passion lead you to your profession.
Register now and be part of the future of culinary, hospitality, and tourism.